Jesus.
Hi everyone, this is your girl, Chef Afusa. In continuation of our 100 hours cooking, we are here to teach you how to cook perfect fried Nigeria beans. So as you all know, this is our ingredients. We have our beans, we have our ororo, we have our maggi, sugar, iyo, salt, we have our curry and thyme. So let's begin. And we also have our pot that we are going to use to prepare our perfect fried Nigerian beans. As you can see that our pot is clean, we will now put it on the fire and on our gas. So this is our beans, and as you can see that we have picked it already. It's very neat, it's very clean. So as you all know that we are preparing Nigeria fried beans. So right now we will now pour it on our empty pot, our beans.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this?
So we will now take our spoon.
No problem. Continue.
That we use to stir it. So we will now start to stir it. So guys, don't forget that we are preparing fried Nigeria beans. So you continue to stir it till the beans change color. Stir it. You stir it. So you continue to stir it. You will stir it very clean. As you can see, it's changing color gradually. It's a gradually something because it's fried Nigerian beans.
Afusa.
Kanu. Ha, ẹ̀yin ni.
Wàláì ṣe lè imagine mi ò répo látọ̀ tí mo sì ń rìn kiri mi ò répo nínú ìlú yìí. Ṣé kí ìlú máa lọ báyìí? Ṣé kó máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀?
Ṣé kò pupa?
Adminkatuda black market ìyẹn náà ṣe rà wọ́n ní kékeré 7,000.
Nigeria is not my country.
Ṣé ìgbín kankan náà?
Tí mo mú ìgbà my beans.
Wetin be this? Jesus.
See you guys next time. Bye bye.